Gynecomastia, also called as man boobs, in simple words, enlargement of male chest. We have spoken a lot about it. I have done videos about it on Instagram Reels and YouTube. So today, what are we going to talk about? It is how to go about once you know that you have gynecomastia, what is the process of surgery, how long does the recovery takes, and what you should know before undergoing a gynecomastia surgery. So when patient comes to me for the consultation of gynecomastia and it is established that gynecomastia is there of whatever grade, so then a surgery is fixed. Usually the surgery is done under general anesthesia, so there will be blood investigations required for the anesthetic clearance. The surgery is a daycare surgery. You don't have to get admitted in the hospital, so patients can come in the morning, get the surgery done. A typical duration required for the surgery is 1.5 to 2 hours, and it is a straightforward simple surgery. By simple surgery, what I mean is it does not require a life-threatening risk. Many people are afraid that since the surgery is done on the chest, will anything happen to the heart? Will there be any problem to the lungs? No. Gynecomastia is something which is above the muscle, and we are not going deep to the muscle or going to nearby your organs. So no, it is done only on the surface, does not involve any kind of complication related to your organs. After the surgery, surgical garment, which is a surgical shapewear kind of vest, is given to you, which is given to provide compression over the chest so that the skin goes back and gives you that contour, and also to prevent any kind of potential areas where the fluid or blood can collect later. It also gives a kind of ease to the patient where they move, the pain and all is not felt more. Typically after 2 days of gynecomastia, the patient can start showering, do the normal work. There is no bed rest involved. However, I tell my patients to avoid bike riding, avoid going for tours or any activity that gives any exertion on the upper half of the body, and 1 week to 15 days they have to be little avoiding all these kind of strenuous activities. However, the scar of the surgery, patient asked me how will be the scar. After 1 month of the surgery, even you will have to look for the scars because they are so imperceptible and not seen at all, because the placement of the scar is as such. Talking about when you can resume your gym, because that is the first question patient asked me. So yes, you can resume all the activities of weightlifting, push-ups, pull-ups, everything after a month, and that's all. After a month, you don't have to take any kind of precautions and you are on your own. The more you exercise, the more your chest becomes better and better in contour. So that is about the surgery related doubts about the gynecomastia. More doubts about the gynecomastia or any other surgery, don't forget to DM me, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you.